everybody, welcome to another video. So today I decided, or tonight, I guess I decided to let you get unready with me, which is going to be just skincare. So this is going to be my nighttime skincare routine. At night I get kind of itchy at my eyes, and I guess it might be because I've had my makeup on too long. So we're going to go in the bathroom. My bathroom unfortunately has the vent that turns on when the light turns on, so I'm going to do a voiceover. This is going to be a new type of video that I haven't done before, so just bear with me if it's a little bit crazy or weird, or I'm just getting used to this. So I am going to set you up in there, however, to show you my skincare routine, and I will do the voiceover, and then you guys can see what my skincare routine is. And I will make sure to list everything down below so that you can look up anything that you're interested that I'm using, and I'll try and maybe narrate in my head so that I can give myself some time to talk about it in the narration. So I will get you guys set up in there, and then we're going to do my nighttime skincare routine.
Alright, so let's get started by taking off my items that I do not want to get wet. So I'm taking off my watch and my ring. Then I will use my Invisibobble hair tie to put up all of my hair so that it doesn't get wet and in my face and in my way. First, I'm going with my Olay 4-in-1 cleansing cloths. They are dry cloths until you wet them, and then you can switch them together to lather the cloth like so. And then the cloth actually opens into a bigger cloth, and then I'm just wiping my face off. The only problem I have with this cloth is that they don't take off waterproof mascara, so when I have waterproof mascara, I have to use a different skincare product for that, but you can just toss the cloth when you're done. Then I am rinsing that off. You can reuse the cloth by rinsing it off and going through with a second time, but I just rinse it off and use my face towel to dab off and kind of wipe any excess product that I missed off. Then I'm taking my Tula Purifying Face Cleanser, just taking a little dab of that. And when you wet the face cleanser, it does lather as well. This is a newer product that I've been using, but I actually really like it. There's not a strong fragrance and it gets everything off. Then I will rinse again, and I will get my face cloth one more time to dab my face dry, but I will wipe around the edges of my face to get the makeup that got into my hairline. And then when I am done with the face cloth, I will go ahead and put it in my hamper that's also in my bathroom so I can wash the face cloth. I have a few of those, so I just wash them every week. Next step is toner. I'm using the Neutrogena Rapid Clear 2-in-1 toner. It's for dark spots and acne. I'm using these reusable toner pads that my mom made me. She just got regular fabric, put two pieces together back to back, and then she sewed them together. And they are really helpful for not using just regular cotton ones and just throwing those out all the time. All I do is wash these just like my face towels every week, and I put them back in my stash. Next is the Tula Acne Clearing and Tone Correcting Gel. This is another newer product that I've been using for the dark spots, but I really like this one too. I feel like it's really helping with any dark spots that I have from post-acne scars and any pimples that I feel coming up too. I also put this on there. Let that dry a little bit. Then I'm going to go in with my Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. This I've repurchased a few times by now. I really like the formula. It's not too thick because I am a little bit oily. but it is just moisturizing enough. Then I'm going to take my Philosophy Purity Made Simple Eye Cream. However, this is more of a Hydro Bounce Eye Gel, and I'll show you the formula. Looks like yellow jello. So I just take a little bit of that. And this is really good if you have dry under eyes. Finally, I'm taking my Mamonde Lip Sleeping Mask. It's more of like a lip balm, but for the lip sleeping mask part, you can just take a little bit extra and put it on at night and sleep with it. And that's going to be my nighttime skincare routine for you guys. I'm going to brush my teeth now. I have a charcoal toothbrush that I mentioned in my empties video, and some Colgate toothpaste. If you need to, I can link that for you. But yeah, so that is going to be it. Once I am done brushing my teeth, I will go to bed. And that is the skincare routine that I do every night, especially if I have makeup on. Definitely those cloths help. I've repurchased those a couple of times too, so that all those products I really like so far. I've probably been using them for 6 months plus. But yeah, that is going to be it, you guys. Thank you so much. More content will be coming soon, and I will see you guys next time.